Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, October the 12th. I am here at my mom's. We spent the night here with my mom, continuing to help her move some things. And so right now we're just sitting and enjoying one another, my daughters and I. And I'm editing my video so that I can get that out to you today. Angelina's preparing for online school right now, and I'm going to finish up what I'm doing, and then I'm going for my morning walk. So I'll be talking to you guys throughout the day today. I pray that you all have a good one. But yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Good morning, Kingston. Good morning, buddy. How are you doing? Huh? He's just chilling this morning, getting all that love. Look, Kingston. Hey. It's like when we put the camera on him, he refuses to look at the camera. Kingston, hey, buddy. Hey, how are you? How are you? He's so precious. Don't lick on me, though. He's precious. Hey, everybody. The time is now 1:52, and I just made it back home from my mom's. We were just having such a good time enjoying one another's company that we were just sitting around, you know, doing just that, enjoying one another's company. So I haven't even made it to do my walk yet. I'm still in my workout clothes, but I refuse to sit this day out. I'm still gonna go for my walk. But right now I came home and my flowers need some water out front. So I'm gonna go, I'm sorry, let me get this camera right. Let me stop for a moment. So I'm gonna go and water my flowers, and then I'm gonna head to the bridge, all right? And then I'm gonna come back, and today's keto dinner is going to be my keto crab boil, which I'll leave a link to that video right about here so you can see how I make it, because I'm not gonna go through the entire process on today's video. If you wanna see the entire process, just click that link above, and you'll see how I make my keto approved crab boil. But right now, let me go water my flowers because they need a little tender loving care. All right, guys, so while I was out here watering my plants, I've watered them, and then I've put them out in the yard there so they could get plenty of sunlight today. But I noticed there are flies around my pumpkins here. So I did a quick YouTube lookup, and I saw a tutorial on how to preserve your decorative pumpkins. So I am going to do that today. Before my walk, I'm going to stop at Walmart and pick up a couple of items that this YouTuber suggested, and I'm going to leave his link. Very informative video. I'm going to leave his link in the description box. Yeah, can't have any flies around my front door. I cannot stand flies. And when we open the door, they very well may come in my house, and I will not have flies in my house. So yeah, we're going to check out that tutorial and implement it, see what we can do to preserve these pretty boys. So I needed some lemons and onions, and I'll need some chicken bouillon cubes. So let's see if we can find those. Glad they had them this time. This should do it. Only $2.96. Okay, clear glaze, $3.96. Perfect. So it is like 3:20, and I am just getting to my walk. I am just going to do 2 miles today and call it a day. Then I'm going to go on back home and do my seafood boil. But I'm glad I made it out here. I didn't feel like it after waiting so late, but I'm glad I made it here. Coming a different route today. Since I'm only doing 2 miles, I won't go too far into the trail. But anyway, almost halfway done. All right, guys, I'm finishing my walk at 2.06 miles. Glad I got out here today. So I forgot to vlog, but let me let you guys know what I've got going on in my pot right here, my seafood pot. I've got in there my ears of corn, I think 9 ears of corn. I've started putting in my potatoes, but I've also got my crab boil, which I am using this Zatarain's crab boil. Okay, I've added that in there. I've added about 9 cloves of garlic. I've added 2 lemons. I've added 2 medium-sized onions. What else? Oh, and I've added 3 chicken bouillon cubes as well. Okay, so that's what's in there so far. And right now I am in the middle of adding potatoes. All right, I didn't have any red potatoes, but I had these golden potatoes, so that's what I'm going to use. They are just as good too. I'm used to seeing red potatoes in seafood boils, but right now, this is what we're going to use. We're going to use up what we have. Over here, in this pot, I've got my beloved sauce making. It was the first thing I put on. I wanted to make sure it was nice and ready. Of course, you know where you can find the beloved sauce at, but I'll put the link. Nevertheless, I'll put the link to her sauce, homemade sauce, below. I use this every single time you have a seafood boil, and it is delicious. I'm not gonna lie, it is delicious. I see why she is as popular as she is. This sauce is delicious. Okay, so I've got that here on a very, very low simmer. I've already cut up my sausage. This is the rest of my pecan smoked sausage that I had. I've got that small bag of shrimp right here. These are the very last things that I put in because it doesn't take the shrimp long. The sausage is already cooked. It just needs to heat through. So I put these in last, all right? Now I am at this part where I'm getting ready to wash. I'm getting ready to clean these snow crab legs. I've got 4 pounds here, and I'm getting ready to clean these up. So I've got my crab here all washed and clean and ready to go in the pot. Yes, I cannot wait to eat. It was looking so good, I almost forgot to film. But here we have the crab legs, the cucumber, the beloved sauce, and I had sausage. It was so good I ate it, and a few pieces of shrimp. So there we have it. All right, guys, I'm going to stop right here, go on and eat my food. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to Sincerely Legenia, go ahead and click that subscription button and go ahead and hit the notification bell right next to it. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.